SoilSense functions as an integrated soil analysis and advisory platform. It continuously collects real-time data on crucial soil and environmental parameters. This data is processed through an intelligent algorithm and compares the readings against predefined, optimal ranges stored for various crops and vegetables. If all parameters fall within acceptable limits, the system confirms that the soil condition is optimal. When deviations are detected, SoilSense performs a deeper analysis into determining the specific deficiencies or excesses and computes precise fertilizer or chemical recommendations to correct them. The results are presented on an intuitive display where users can navigate between live readings, historical logs, and previously recorded sessions. This data navigation feature allows farmers to review past soil readings, compare trends, and understand long-term variations in soil fertility and quality. The system stores all data locally for offline access and decision tracking. Designed for field deployment, SoilSense operates autonomously using renewable energy and onboard data storage, ensuring reliability in outdoor and remote agriculture settings. The applications of SoilSense includes precision agriculture, soil health monitoring, agronomic research, smart farming systems, sustainability management. The primary objective of SoilSense is to empower farmers and agricultural professionals with a comprehensive understanding of soil health through intelligent real-time monitoring and analysis. Traditional soil testing methods are often time-consuming, static, and limited in actionable outcomes. SoilSense addresses these limitations by offering an automated, continuous, and interpretable system that not only measures key soil parameters but also analyzes, compares, and recommends corrective actions. The system's key goal is to bridge the gap between soil diagnostics and informed decision making, enabling sustainable and efficient farming practices. Now here's a quick demonstration on how to use SoilSense.